Folks, we all know how animated cartoon videos are a massive hit on platforms like YouTube. You know, engaging characters, colorful visuals, and captivating storytelling. But what if I told you that you don't need any animation experience to create videos, just like that? My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple and effective way to make high-quality animated videos using a tool called Animate AI. Whether you're aiming to create fun family-friendly content or eye-catching trailers, I'll show you how to use this powerful platform to easily generate animated videos in minutes. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you will be ready to dive right in and start creating your own. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. What is Animate AI? Okay, so before we dive into all the features of this tool, let me tell you a little about it. Animate AI is basically the first tool that does it all when it comes to making cartoon videos with AI. You can use it to create a whole series of animated videos without much hassle. It uses some pretty smart AI to help you make good-looking animations really fast and without a ton of work. Getting started. And now, guys, let's go on and take a look at what Animate AI has to offer. The first step would be to go to their website, animateai.pro, and sign up for a new account. By the way, it's completely free. Just use your Google account or sign up with any other email you like, and you're ready to go. And check this out, folks. You get 60 free credits right after you sign up, and you'll also be getting 2 free credits every day you sign in. And as you can see here, with these free credits that I've got right now, I can create 3 full scenes for free. Anyway, if we look at the dashboard, it's really very simple. Getting started couldn't be simpler too. Just type in what story you want to make, and Animate AI does all the hard work. In just a few seconds, it creates all your characters, scenes, and even plans out the whole story for you, ready for animation. That's all there is to it, super easy. Let me give you an example. I'll paste my idea of a story. Lila, a young girl, and her rabbit friend Pippin search for a fallen star in the forest. Along the way, they face challenges and meet new friends. They learn that the star's true magic is in helping others. Alright, now let's see what Animate AI creates for us. And there you go, here's the prompt I used. And here's the story Animate AI created. It adds quite a bit of nice detail to it. One of the most awesome things about Animate AI is how it creates unique characters just for your story. Look at this. Now I can ask it to generate my character description. And in just a bit of time, it does just that. My character, Lila, is a 10-year-old girl. By the way, you can edit the description so it completely fits your vision. Just click this little edit button on the left and tell Animate AI what you want to see. But let's move on. After you've got your character set up, Animate AI puts together a full storyboard you can change whenever you want. First, it will create a character's 3-view image. And here's the result. I mean, just look at this. Lila looks very cute, a great character for a little children's story. But of course, this is not all. Now we need text, basically the scene descriptions that will become the skeleton of our story. Let's wait a little for it to generate. And there you go! Animate AI generated 3 scene descriptions. Again, you can edit them in any way you like, add in all kinds of details. Well, now we need storyboard preview images. So let's generate those too. And done! Wow, I love how colorful they look. They really convey that fairy tale atmosphere, just what I wanted. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, the next step is voiceover generation, so let's do that. Wow, it worked pretty fast. Let's listen to the scene voiceovers that we've got.
Lila and Pippin faced their first challenge, a fork in the path where choices could lead to unexpected wonders. Though the star-shaped rock was not what they sought, Lila's spirit remained undeterred, embracing the journey's magic.
I have to say, I'm impressed. The AI-generated narration sounds flawless and very human-like, which is exactly what we need. Now I can move on to video production. This will take a bit of time, depending on how detailed your scenes are. And check this out, we have a video for each of our 3 scenes. Let's watch them. Keep in mind that at this point, they are without sound, that's the next step. but they already look pretty awesome. I love the way characters are moving. They've got that Disney style to them. And finally, the most exciting step. I can now combine the voiceover and the videos we generated and see the result. And it's done pretty quickly, so let's watch.
Lila and Pippin faced their first challenge, a fork in the path where choices could lead to unexpected wonders. Though the star-shaped rock was not what they sought, Lila's spirit remained undeterred, embracing the journey's magic. In the fading light of the star, Lila discovered the true magic lay in the kindness it inspired.
Looks good. And remember guys, this is just a very simple short video for a children's story. But this way, you can create a video with more scenes and much greater complexity. Let me just show you the sheer number of ways you can tweak your videos. Right here you can choose the number of scenes you want, scene length and visual style. Right now they have two, Pixar and Disney. You can also tweak your video aspect ratio for different social media, choose a resolution. And what I really love, you can play with multiple AI models for generating text, images, and video. Here you can also add subtitles and choose a language. Currently there are 9 languages available. And here on the left, you can choose from a decent library of voices to use for your voiceovers. There are male and female voices to choose from. And here there are 2 more features. You can choose characters and the background music. They are unavailable at the moment, but watch out for updates, because Animate is going to release them soon. So what makes Animate special? Let me break it down for you folks. Animate AI stands out because it makes high-quality animation and storytelling easier, faster, and more affordable, without needing a big team or a huge budget. It keeps your characters looking consistent across multiple episodes, so they are always recognizable and engaging. It also saves tons of time by turning your scripts into detailed storyboards with visuals, narration, and voiceovers in just minutes. When it's time to create videos, Animate AI takes your ideas and turns them into polished, customizable content. Whether you're making animated stories, trailers, or kids' videos, it's an all-in-one creative toolkit. Using AI for every part of the process: writing, images, voiceovers, music, and video production. So you don't have to juggle different tools. If you want things even easier, the autopilot feature can take your input and generate complete, high-quality videos automatically. Plus, the built-in AI video enhancer makes sure everything looks professional in 720p, no technical skills required. And because it cuts costs by 30% compared to traditional animation, it makes professional quality content more accessible than ever. Final thoughts. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope this gave you a good idea of just how powerful and easy Animate AI is. Whether you're dreaming up a kid's cartoon, a fun animated trailer, or a whole series with consistent characters and amazing storytelling, this tool makes it all so simple. You don't need a big team, fancy software, or a huge budget. Just your ideas and Animate AI will handle the rest. And the best part, you can try the beta version for free right now. Plus, if you decide to upgrade to the standard plan, don't forget to use my discount code IsAnimateAI03 at checkout. You'll get 10% off your order. It's a great deal, especially considering how much you're getting with this platform. So go ahead, jump in and start creating your own amazing animated videos today. And if you do, let me know in the comments. I would love to see what you come up with. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time!